So we know we have the reference document in Blue Book if ever we need it. However, it's good to know what programs you also have available. So let's go to our program shapes. So since it's toward the end of the alphabet, I'll just press up a few times, get to shapes. We'll go to the second program, which is volume. And they're talking about a right circular cone. Now the volume for a right circular cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. They say the volume of cone A is 225 cubic centimeters. They want to figure out what would be the volume of another cone that has twice the radius and twice the height. So let's see what would happen. If I have twice the radius, that means instead of r, you would have 2r. Now that radius still has to get squared because it's part of the formula. And twice the height means instead of h, we would have 2h. So let's see how that impacts things. Obviously the 1/3 and the pi aren't going to change, but when you square the 2, it becomes a 4, still r squared, and then you obviously have the 2h as well. So what I'm really concerned about is just this part here. I don't really care about the 1/3 pi because that's no different than this 1/3 pi. So 4 times 2 is 8, which means we still have the r squared h, but we have an 8 in front of it. So that means that the volume will be 8 times the original volume. Well, the original volume was 225. So if we go ahead and do 225 times 8, notice we get 1,800, which matches with option C.